Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to make money on MetroOpinion. So let's get started. So this is what it looks like. So you just have to open any web browser and then type MetroOpinion. So you could just simply click this plus button here and then tap this new link tab and then type MetroOpinion. And then what you want to do is to click the very first link or site you can see here. So here it is. As you can see, paid surveys, earn money online, work from home. Okay? And then we have here how to earn with paid surveys in 3 easy steps. So we have this 3 easy steps in order for you to get paid here on MetroOpinion. First, of course, you have to sign up. It's very important. So to sign up, you just have to click this blue icon here. It says start registration here, and then we have here answer. So you will be invited to surveys via email. Answer honestly, you just have to simply answer questions here. Don't worry, your answers will remain anonymous. And then lastly, when you reach payment threshold, you can get paid with 1 click. Okay, so very easy, right? Now, let's go down below. If you're going to scroll here, then you can see earn money online. It is easy with MetroOpinion. You can simply read the following information here so that it will somehow give you a broad idea about this MetroOpinion and how are you going to get money through surveys. Okay, so you can read this part right here. Okay, so it is fun to earn money with MetroOpinion. Companies use your answers to create better products. So your answers are very important here. Now, payment for surveys is easy. Okay, so we have here payment options. First, we have PayPal. So PayPal is easy if you prefer cash payment. And don't worry, you can also link your PayPal to your debit card or credit card. So you can withdraw your money using your debit card or any bank account. So that's the first way on how to get your money. The second we have here is vouchers. So vouchers are popular and many users prefer to use it. Okay, so you can just simply use this for discounts, or you can use this to purchase something online. Okay, so you can use vouchers to purchase items and donations. So you can also donate your earnings to good cause if you want it. Okay, so work from home by doing surveys. It's very easy. How much can you earn by working from home? So you can see more information here. Just read this part and your questions will be answered. Okay, so sign up and start earning. Now above here we have here home, about us. So of course, if you want to know more about MetroOpinion, and it's like if you're hesitant to try this one, then you could just simply go to about us and you will see more information about this site. Okay, so to also see blog, I mean, if you want to see people who have their testimonies about this site, then you can go to blog. Then you can see tons of people here with their testimonies and how they earn money through surveys. Also, we have here FAQ, one of the most important features on a site. So all of the answers are here. If you have some questions about MetroOpinion, you could just simply go to FAQ. So about surveys, how are you going to get money, or is it possible, or how much money can you earn? So you can see this, or you can go to this about surveys to know more. Okay, so once you're ready and you're okay with everything, you can simply click login if you have an account, of course. But if you don't have, so you can just simply sign up and create your own account. Okay, so that's it. Now, they just need your email address, okay, and also your password. Now, once done, and once you verify your email address, as you can see here, okay, once you verify everything, then you can start. Additional information required, of course, your gender, your date of birth, and then postcode. And after that, you can agree with the terms, and here it is. Okay, so enjoy our surveys today. So you can start with your surveys, but you have to modify settings here. It's very important to enter some information like a first name, last name before you proceed with the surveys. Okay, so we have your household surveys, occupation, auto, electronics, hobbies and interests, computer, travel, research, food and beverage, media, smoking and tobacco, education, and so on. We have here surveys, or this is an example of a survey, right? So you could just simply answer this one. How many people live your house? Very easy, okay? So you just have to simply answer these questions here. So for surveys, actually it's not yet available at the moment, so you just have to wait for that. You have to wait till there is an available survey here. Rewards, okay, so you can get your rewards, you can get your rewards through this, and people and tremendous. So all you have to do is to simply participate and answer some surveys here that you will get your rewards. Okay, so once you want, all you have to do is to click redeem. So that's it. Now the question is, if this MetroOpinion is not available in your country or region, or it is restricted to your area, or there's something wrong that you cannot trade an account on MetroOpinion, don't worry, because there are some sites that offers the same thing. I'm going to introduce to you this survey mode. Okay, so this site, as you can see, it's very similar to MetroOpinion. How are you going to earn money? Of course, by just signing up, then answer questions or surveys, and then withdraw money. It's very similar. So if the first one, the MetroOpinion didn't work, then you can try this site here. Okay, it's the same thing. You just have to answer surveys, and that's it. So another thing we have here, MoBroke. So MoBroke is also the same with the two. All you have to do is, of course, to register, and ways to earn. You just have to simply answer surveys here. Okay, so register and complete your profile, take part in surveys, and then have fun and get paid for doing it, or for just sharing your opinion. Okay, so that's it. Now we have survey mode, we have MoBroke, and as you can see, MoBroke also had these rewards. It is very similar. Now, if this three didn't work, then you could try this and Be Social here. So it's kind of similar, but this has other ways on how to earn money, not just surveys. Okay, they have pay per click and so on. Okay, so that's it. Now it's a very important that you have your side hustle. You can earn money by just staying at home. It's very important that you can also try sites like this, because there's nothing wrong with trying or signing up and explore sites like MetroOpinion and Survey Mode and MoBroke. So yes, online survey platforms have made it more usual to earn extra money from the comforts of your home. One such website that supports or compensate users for giving their opinion is, of course, MetroOpinion. It provides links to several opportunities for market research. These options allow for the showing of opinions, preferences, and feedback on products, services, and trends. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!